Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by confirming the background is a single solid green or blue. That matters because chroma removal relies on color isolation. Next, import your foreground clip and import the replacement background into the same project. Once done, place the foreground above the background layer on the timeline, then scrub to a representative frame. Make sure project resolution and frame rate match the clip, because mismatches create edge artifacts. Now you're ready to apply the keying effect to the foreground layer. You apply the chroma key effect to the foreground layer and immediately sample the background color with the eyedropper for an accurate reference. Then adjust tolerance or similarity to remove the bulk of the background without killing hair or semi-transparent edges. Once the main color is gone, refine the matte. Increase edge feathers slightly to soften harsh edges, use alpha clip to cut residual specks, and enable spill suppression to remove color bleed. Make micro adjustments while scrubbing to ensure moving subjects stay clean. You finish by tackling stubborn areas. Draw a manual mask or garbage matte to exclude complex background patches, and animate the mask when the subject moves. Once done, preview several seconds across the timeline. If lighting or background hue shifts, consider rotoscoping or applying local color correction to maintain a consistent key. Make sure export settings match the project codec and color space. If you see fringe or transparency issues in the render, revisit spill suppression and edge feather. That single tweak usually fixes remaining halos.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.